All right, y'all. It's time to get these Christmas decorations down. Finally.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should've told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance, and the moment comes when I fall and time goes.
Right, so I'm going to start working on some DIY Valentine's Day decorations. And that begins with a box. This is some water filters, but I need the cardboard. Yay, recycling! These are the best water filters in the whole wide world. They make water taste so good because they have lead filters. Alright, so I'm going to cut off these. Pretty sure I have a box cutter somewhere. I can't think of where it is at the moment. So we're just going to go this route and kill my hands instead.
Let you go, put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when.
Let's see how far that gets us. Have some cardstock.
And I won't let it
Channel my inner kindergartner. I'm going to cut a few card templates.
time go slow. I fall into you.
Trace these on here, which is why I use cardstock. Like regular paper would just kind of bend all over the place. Try to fit as many as I can.
I fall into you.
And then we're going to cut them out.
But it's so good to see you.
Super cute.
Every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight.
There we go. Now I'm just going to keep tracing and cutting.
It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
Alright, I just made a whole pile of these suckers. I'm done for tonight. Tomorrow we'll see if we can get these on that garland. Okay, so I'm going to have some way to get these attached to the nails that I have in my little bar thing. And for the garland I used that floral wire, but I think you'll be able to see that and it won't be cute. So I'm going to tie some of this yarn on here and use that. And then I can probably cut it. So I'm tying it to each of the ends.
It's just us two, me and you.
Go hang this thing up.
So I wish that I had actually tied these middle pieces on while I already had it hanging. It ended up not being totally centered, so I had to take it all apart and put them back on again later. So if you end up trying this yourself, make sure you tie up the ends and then find where center is in relation to where you have your things hung.
What would help is a chair.
Dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be.
So that's awesome. This is quite obviously in the wrong place. So I'm gonna have to take that down and fix it.
Oh, I can't believe you love me.
So what I did was I found a string, a piece of yarn, and I looped another piece of yarn underneath it, and I'm gonna do one on this side. It's not like I found a tutorial for this part, I just found a picture on Pinterest, so this part I'm just kind of winging. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. So cute. It's so cute. I still have to cut off the little strings, and I'm trying to decide if I want to add more of the little hearts. But it's so cute. I almost forgot to show you guys this part. So I have these little tiny ones. I'm just taking the string that's holding up the garland, and I am tying them just like that. So there's the finished product, and I am so happy. It's so cute.